Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button if you've had yourselves a great 4th of July weekend. I myself had an amazing 4th of July weekend. I got to spend some time with family. Very blessed that I was able to do that. That being said, I would be coming live to you guys, but unfortunately I can't go live until I hit 1,000 subscribers. So let's keep building the channel. Let's keep growing. I know we'll hit it eventually. Make sure you share these videos to your friends, to your family members. Get people subscribed. It's going to be an exciting journey, and I'm excited to bring everybody with you. That being said, I would be live with you guys because unfortunately I was supposed to have a traction bar video for you guys, and that just didn't happen. As soon as I put my impact to try and take those nuts off that bottom plate for the U-bolt, the U-bolt started twisting on me. And with the 4th of July being observed on this Monday, you know, it wasn't possible that I could get any type of U-bolt from a local fab shop or Lincoln Diesel Specialties. So I'm gonna make a phone call tomorrow. It just seems like we can't get those traction bars installed just yet. I can't wait, I'm excited for it. I wanna get them installed, and we'll get them installed as soon as we can. Make sure you guys stay tuned for Wednesday. We're doing some cosmetic upgrades on the truck. I'm very excited for it. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what I'm talking about, but we're gonna go ahead and make sure we do that for you guys. That being said, go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you do not already, because I do have an announcement coming up in a few weeks. I'm gonna be teaming up with a different company that I never thought I would team up with for a giveaway on Instagram. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that so you don't miss out on that. Have yourselves a great night. Make sure you spend as much time with family and friends as you can, because you never know when that last moment's gonna be at any given moment that you won't be able to spend that time with that person or that loved one. So go ahead and tune in for Wednesday's video on the cosmetic upgrades, and we'll see you then.